What if you tried to drive a car at the speed of light? Imagine sitting in your car on a perfectly straight, endless highway. You press the gas pedal, the speedometer climbs higher and higher. And suddenly, you're not just breaking speed limits, you're approaching the speed of light. At first, it feels like the ultimate road trip. The scenery blurs past faster than your brain can even register. But then something strange begins to happen. Time itself starts to stretch. For people watching from the roadside, your car seems to move slower and slower, almost frozen, as if you're driving through thick cosmic honey. But for you, inside the car, time feels normal. You can tap the wheel, blink, or check your rearview mirror, but outside, the world is moving differently. Now let's talk about your headlights. Normally, they shine a beam forward so you can see the road ahead. But when you're moving near the speed of light, your headlights can't actually move faster than you. Light coming out of your lamps struggles to escape, bunching up in front of your car. To you, it might look dimmer, stranger, as though the road ahead is smeared into a narrow tunnel of blue-white light. This effect has a name: relativistic beaming. Everything in front of you compresses into a dazzling spotlight, while everything behind you fades into red darkness. In fact, if there were stars in the sky, they'd all seem to shift forward, clustering into a brilliant point ahead of you. Your rear window would be almost pitch black. And here's where physics really plays its tricks. Your car, which is normally a cozy metal box, starts to flatten, at least from the perspective of outside observers. To them, your vehicle is squished shorter and shorter in the direction of travel, as if someone sat on it with an invisible cosmic hammer. To you, though, the car still feels the same size. That's relativity for you. Space itself is bending around your speed. But you don't get off so easily. As your velocity approaches light speed, the mass of your car skyrockets. A simple sedan, normally about a ton, now weighs more than a mountain. Push it closer to the limit, and its mass climbs toward infinity. Which means your gas tank, no matter how full, could never give you the energy you need to actually reach light speed. Nature put up a hard speed limit, and it's not negotiable. But let's pretend, just for imagination's sake, that somehow you managed it. You're at exactly the speed of light, racing alongside photons themselves. What do you see? The answer might disappoint you. According to Einstein's theory, the concept of time simply stops. From your point of view, the universe ahead collapses into nothing. There's no scenery, no ticking clock, no movement, just a frozen instant. Driving at the speed of light isn't really driving at all. It's more like being locked outside the flow of reality. In fact, it's not something any object with mass can even experience. Light can do it, but cars and people can't. Still, the thought experiment is fun. If you slammed on the brakes after your near light speed joyride, you'd discover that for you, only minutes had passed. But for the people you left behind, years or even centuries might have gone by. You'd pull back into your driveway, step out, and find your great-great-grandchildren waiting to ask why you disappeared for so long. Your car might be outdated, your license plates might look antique, and your favorite snack from the gas station might not even exist anymore. You didn't just go fast, you traveled through time. So, what would really happen if you tried to drive a car at the speed of light? The truth is, physics would stop you long before you got there. Your car would need infinite energy, its mass would balloon beyond comprehension, and the universe itself would warp around your journey. But imagining it gives us a glimpse into the strange, almost magical rules that govern the cosmos. You can't race light down the highway, but in a way, every fast drive, every beam of your headlights, and every clock you glance at is already a tiny reminder that time and space are more flexible than they seem. Which means your car may never break the ultimate speed limit, but your imagination already has.